Ever since I was a kid, I always dreamed about making a game, but I never had the knowledge or resources to do so. When I was a teen, I began modding games like Half-Life 1 and 2. I even created a mod for Half-Life 2 called Dino, a dinosaur multiplayer game that never saw the light of day. Finding a good coder who worked for free is like finding a needle in a haystack. After several failed attempts, I decided to learn to code. I went to college to get a degree in computer science but learned nothing. I started freelancing, creating front and back end websites. I developed my experience with PHP, JavaScript, and simple HTML and CSS. Years later, while working a 9-to-5 job, I finally had time to create a Java game. As an avid League of Legends player, I decided to make a 2D Java game where you go head-to-head with a bot. It had abilities, special abilities, and minions that would attack you if you didn't press the correct key in the right time. It's unfinished, but you can download it. The link will be in the description below. With the realization that I could create something, I decided to go all in and make my first finished game using Unreal Engine 4, a multiplayer game at that. I was in for a big surprise. Revamping and recoding became a regular part of my journey. Learning from replication, client and server relationships, and numerous other aspects of work in multiplayer game was challenging, but it was the bugs that taught me the most, and I learned fast. My best advice to give starter dev is to not begin with a multiplayer game. Start off small. I mean really small, like Mario small or Galaga, or even Snake small. Getting the Unreal Engine editor to do what you want is half the battle. But fortunately, I found a small team of friends who helped me with level designing, sound effects, and other miscellaneous tasks. After a long journey, I released my game called Bloodbound. It's on Steam and it was released last Halloween. It was a daunting task to fix all the bugs and ensure anti-cheat and dedicated server functionality was set, but I got it done. I will probably go in depth in another video, but for now, let's continue with the dev journey. As a result of completing my game Bloodbound, I have gained a wealth of knowledge in game development. It was truly a rewarding experience. Now I'm excited to announce that I am currently working on my next project called The Cult. It is inspired by those classic PS2 style games that we all know and love. I can't wait to bring it to life in Unreal Engine 4. But that's not all. I'm also brainstorming ideas for my next game using Unreal Engine 5. And guess what? I might just broadcast the entire development process live, so you can join and learn alongside with me as I create this exciting new game. Creating this channel wasn't about my own journey. It was about helping fellow indie developers like me start their own game development adventure. I'm new to YouTube, and if you find my content helpful, I would greatly appreciate your subscription. Support on Patreon will go a long way in keeping me fed as I create more videos and share my knowledge with you all. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future updates, tutorials, and game developing journey. See you next time.